In this video, I will talk about the difference between affiliate marketing and freelancing and which business model is best for you. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. I will show you the difference by using a simple chart so you can easily understand. So first of all, affiliate marketing is a one kind of a business and freelancing is one type of a job. People usually think that freelancing is one type of a business, but this is not a business. This is a one type of a job. In order to make money with freelancing, you need to complete a certain type of job for some people. So you will not make a passive income with freelancing because in freelancing, you need to complete a certain type of work for some people in order to make money. But if I talk about affiliate marketing, then affiliate marketing is one type of a business and you can earn passive income through affiliate marketing if you do affiliate marketing the right way. And if you want to start freelancing, then there are lots of different websites that you can use to start your freelancing work. So there are some popular websites for freelancing like a Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and by using this website, you can get a tons of freelancing work. So here you can see there are lots of different categories that you can use to find a freelancing work. So suppose you are good at graphic design. So you can get a tons of work like a logo design, illustration, UX design, background removal, or you know how to do digital marketing, then here you can see you can get a search engine work. So if you are good at writing, then you can write articles for other people. And here you can see there are lots of different categories that you can use to find freelancing work. So if I go to Google and search like top freelancing website, then here you can see there are lots of different websites that you can use. Here you can see there are 22 best freelancing websites to find work in 2023. Then here is a 22 best freelancing website, and the first website is Upwork.com, which I showed you before. And if I go down, then you can see there are lots of websites. So the second website is Design Hill. The third one is TopTal. So there are lots of different freelancing websites that you can choose to find good freelancing work. So if you are good at anything, you can get a freelancing work for any job, but it depends upon your experience and expertise. So if you have a more experience to do the particular work, then you can make more money and you can charge more with your clients. As I told you, affiliate marketing is one kind of a business and you can earn passive income through affiliate marketing. But you need to know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So there are lots of different ways you can start affiliate marketing. And the second thing is in affiliate marketing, you can sell 24/7, but in freelancing, you are limited by hours. So as I told you before, in freelancing, in order to make money, you need to complete certain type of work for some people. So you are limited by hours because you only have 24 hours in a day. But if I talk about affiliate marketing, then in affiliate marketing, you can sell 24/7. So there is no time limit in affiliate marketing. You can make money 24/7 if you leverage automated funnels and email automation sequence inside your affiliate marketing business. And the third thing is in freelancing, you can earn a small amount of money. But in affiliate marketing, it's a potential to earn big money. So as I told you before, in freelancing, you are limited by hours. So you can earn a certain amount of money per day. But in affiliate marketing, if you leverage automated system, then it has a potential to earn you very big money. So if I talk about numbers, then in freelancing, you can earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 per month. But in affiliate marketing, there is no certain limit that how much money you can earn. You can literally earn six figures every single month if you do affiliate marketing the right way. And the last point which I want to discuss with you is in freelancing, the investment is low, but in affiliate marketing, the investment is high. So as I told you before, freelancing is one kind of a job. So it doesn't require very big money to start freelancing. But affiliate marketing is one type of a business. So you need to do the investment if you want to start your affiliate marketing business. So let's say in freelancing, you are doing a video editing work. So in video editing, you need to purchase some kind of a software that will allow you to start video editing. That software is not too much expensive. So in freelancing, you can start work with very low investment. And suppose if you are doing a voiceover work, then you just need a good microphone to start your work. And this type of thing doesn't require to invest a lots of money. But if I talk about affiliate marketing, then the investment in affiliate marketing is a little bit high than freelancing. Because in freelancing, the biggest investment is in your education. So if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing faster, then you need a certain type of course that teaches you affiliate marketing step by step. And if you want to invest in your training, then you need a certain amount of money to start. And the other thing, if you leverage automated system in your affiliate marketing business, then you just need certain type of software to automate your entire business. But if I compare affiliate marketing to offline business like a store or a restaurant, then you don't need a lots of money to start affiliate marketing. But if you start any kind of a restaurant, then you need to invest tens of thousands of dollars. But in affiliate marketing, you can start your business with just a few $1,000s. So this is the main difference between affiliate marketing and freelancing. So now you think that I am a beginner, so which type of business that I start? So I recommend you that if you are a beginner, then you need to start with freelancing. And once you have some experience in freelancing, then slowly you can transfer to affiliate marketing. So in order to start freelancing, just create your account on Fiverr or Upwork and just start creating a service. So right now, if you are really good at something, then just start providing this service to other people. And once you getting lots of order in your freelancing business, then you can invest that money inside an affiliate marketing business. Because I told you before, affiliate marketing is one kind of a business and freelancing is one type of a job. So if you want to make passive income or you want to make a more money, then you need to do affiliate marketing. So if you are interested in starting your affiliate marketing business, but you don't know how to start and where to start, then I have something really cool for you. So I created a free affiliate marketing case study. So inside that case study, I show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you how I'm driving traffic to promote that product, as well as I will show you my funnel and my entire email automation sequence that I'm using to increase my conversion rate. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. So when you click on that link, you will come to this page. And here you need to enter your name and email address to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And now if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. And let me know in the comment what you are doing right now, freelancing or affiliate marketing. See you in the next video.